Yeah, hello everyone, myself Maruti, welcoming you all to Ram Maruti tutorials here. Okay, in this video I have chosen a beautiful logical application of important formula from progressions chapter. Okay, as soon as we come across progressions, we find three: arithmetic progressions, geometric progressions, and harmonic progression. Today I am going to explain you arithmetic progressions. In that one, the very important formula, nth term formula. Okay, so straight away I am not going according to the procedure what it has to. I am going in a logical way for you, in a tricky manner, so that you can figure it out what kind of sum it is and what has to be plugged in which place. So simple logic, logical one. Let's come back to this. So as I said to you earlier in my last video, I have said to you, as soon as see the nth term formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, you have to figure out number of variables present in that one. The first variable is nothing but a. The first variable which we come across in the nth term formula is a, first term. The next one, it's nothing but d, the common difference, right? And the third variable what we come across is n, the roll number or the position number or the number of terms it has, right? And the fourth one is nothing but an. An means the value or the number or the term sitting in that roll number place, in the place of in that position, right? A means first term, D common difference, N means the position number, An means the value in that roll number, in that position. You got it? So now A and D, how to find it out A and D in different methods, we will discuss in the next video. Now in this video I am going to play with the two things, right? N and An. How to figure it out from the question which is n value and which is an value. It's a tricky thing which you have to figure it out. I repeat, how to figure it out n and an in a logical way, I'm going to explain you in this sum. Let's come back to my logic here. Right, the logic says, right, if any English letters are present as prefix or on the top of a number, we plug that in the place of n. That's what you have to remember. If there is any English letter on the top of a number, we take that one in the place of n. I like to give examples. I like to go with an example. If it is said first, are you able to see any English letter on the top of a number? Yes. Then straight away take 1 in the place of n. Simple, right? In the same way, if you find any letter question like second, you find an English letter ND on the top of the number 2, then straight away plug in 2 in the place of n. Right? In the same way, like if you go for third or fourth and so on, whatever might be the term, something like 12, we have English letters on the top of the numbers. Straight away, without hesitation, n equals 3 here, n equals 4 here, n equals 12 here. This is the simple logic what we have to catch from the question. If you find any English letters on the top of the number, straight away plug that number in the place of n. Simple. Now let's go for the reverse logic. This is the first one and this is the reverse logic. If no English letter on the number given, right, then we have to plug in the place of an. Simple. We have to plug in the place of an. If you remember this logic, straight away you can deal with the sums. If you have English on the top, plug in the place of n. If there is no English letters on the top of the letter number given, then plug it in the an. Okay, to apply this one, let us take a series now. Example, I like to find out. Here let us take a series 7, 13, 19 and so on 205. Okay, right. Now the question is like this. Which term which term is the number 205 in the series? Right, if the question is given like this, okay, straight away we can figure it out. The first term is nothing but 7, a1 equals a is equal to 7, right? D is equal to a2 minus a1, which equals a2 minus a1. 13 minus 7 equals 6. We got it. Now the tricky part. The number 205. The number 205. Do you find English letters on the top of 205? No. So as it is not as given any English letter on the top of that, straight away take that in the place of 205. Okay. Now out of all, A we got it. A is given here, right? D we got it, right? N is also given. Then which is question? Yes, n is question there. So now simplify that and get the value of n. So let us do that for you. So let me go for the formula. A is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Straight away plug in this 205 in the place of an equals a is 7 plus, we don't know the value of n, we are finding that, n minus 1 into d is 6. Alright, let us simplify that. So 205, I'm taking plus 7 to the other side, it's nothing but minus 7, n minus 1 into 6. If you simplify this, it's nothing but 198 equals n minus 1 into 6. If you transform the 6 to the other side, it becomes 198 divided by 6 equals n minus 1. Let's simplify that. 6 ones, 6 threes, again 3. So 33 equals n minus 1. Transpose 1 to the other side, it becomes 34. So what do you say? We find an n value. So the tricky part is where to plug this 205 in the place of n or an. Then see the logic. If you have English letters on the top, right, plug it in the place of, an. Okay, right. So if you have English letters on the top, you are placing in the place of n. If you don't have English letter on the top, you place in the place of an. We don't have English letter on the top, we place in the place of an. So this is a tricky part. By this we can figure it out many times. Hope you're in this channel. I have been placing both math and science videos.